So I have a patient from Sarawak all the way, 35 years old. So today is actually to restore back his hair. So if you look at this photo, you can see that he's lost his hair. He's lost the frame of his face. So very conservative hairline has been done for him. There's no, we don't have to do the temple points. It's there, very fine hair and nice caliper there. So we just leave it so it looks natural. So doctor's going to fill up hair at the hairline, at the frontal area, and he also wants it because he has thinning at the hair in the mid scalp and the crown area. He wants me to also give him density there. So if you look at it, this is what node he goes. I think he probably will go into node 4 male pattern baldness, but also thinning of the hair up to node 7. A very good donor for a patient who's 35 years old. So we will focus more in the front as we go back here at the area that I can do the incision later. I'll do to create density for him. So I'd like to thank my patient for choosing Dr. Inder and my team to do this procedure for him.